Hey everyone, you're watching Ruth Getting Things Done, and you're gonna see how I turn these regular feminine wipes from the Dollar Tree into Lysol wipes. Well, a knockoff version. These are the products that I will be using. First, I am mixing half a cup of Lysol, half a cup of water, and a tablespoon of bleach into a 1 cup measuring cup. Now, I am labeling Lysol on the first 2 packages. Here, I am carefully pouring the mixture into the package. Now, I am doing the same thing with Mr. Clean. Now with alcohol. I used a 50% isopropyl alcohol and I did not dilute this mixture. Alcohol kills germs 99% of the time, and I use this instead of hand sanitizer. Sometimes. It's now a week later since I made these. I have used all 3 and I love them. I wish I'd done this earlier and saved a lot of money from buying Lysol wipes. I should have just made my own. If you'd like to see more of these DIY videos, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.